Saint Catherine of Alexandria parish here in Bagac is truly unique for having Las Casas as truly a big part of the parish. Even if this church is still unfinished, I can't remember how many weddings I've already celebrated there. I can't remember now even how many masses have I said there. This church, this replica of the old Cathedral of St. Joseph in Balanga, Mr. Jerry Acuzar wants this to become the crown jewel, the crowning glory of this entire complex. I'm Father Ernesto Baluyot De Leon, into my 6th year here in Bagac, where you can find Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. Everything here is in the process of restoration. What is so beautiful about it is the owner, Mr. Acuzar, buys an old house from somewhere, takes a picture of it, its original form, dismantle them, bring them here, and buuin muli. In the process, perhaps, may mga nawala na parts, merong kinakailangang idagdag, i-reproduce. And that's it. This is what Las Casas has taught me. You see houses here being restored to their original form, to their original structure. Really, it gives me an inspiration. How to rebuild, how to restore, not only the physical structure of the church, but the entire structure of the common people, the people of God itself.
That all of us gathered here may remain faithful for baptismal promises. Let us pray to the Lord.
In this very beautiful complex, you have to restore people. You have to restore their faith. You have to restore their hope. You have to restore their trust. I think this will never be complete. Things are added to that part of the complex. I think Mr. Acuzar is not in a hurry to finish all this because he wants his guests to see all this construction here ongoing. That's part of the attraction of Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. That's part of the attraction of this heritage resort. To be able to show to the guests here that indeed we are always in the process of constructing the very fabric of our lives. I came to understand and realize that I am not just the parish priest of Bagac, Bataan. Because many people come here, and I get to meet lots of people. Just seeing them in the church, especially on Sundays, it really makes me feel that I am a priest for all people, regardless of where you come from. The fact that you are there, you are attending the Mass, you are taking part, I am your parish priest.